So welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this we are going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Realme X1 Max device. So this is a speed test and RAM management which I'm trying to do after the recent software update from both phones, which is September security patch update. Yes friend, just couple of days back I did receive in the Realme X1 Max, and today couple of hours ago I did receive in the iQOO 7 device, which is the September security patch update. So right now the date is about close to 14th October, you can clearly see there. So let's see, after the updates, did the RAM management and the speed test got improved or not in the devices? That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So first thing is that both phones, they do have the 8GB RAM variants, which is 8GB, 128GB inbuilt storage. And right now let me try to restart the both phones before actually doing the speed test. And during this time, I'll try to include the 5 applications and 5 games. So out of the 5 games, I did include Asphalt 9 game and Bad Dragon's mobile game. So this is going to be really very interesting to see Snapdragon 870 chipset versus Dimensity 1200. Let's see friends how much difference we can actually expect between these both phones in terms of the opening speeds and keeping them in the background RAM management after the recent updates as well. So let me quickly connect to the Wi-Fi connectivity first in the iQOO 7 device, which start to reboot before then the Realme X1 Max device. I'll be connecting to the 2.4 GHz network in the iQOO 7 smartphone. So the phone will be able to connect automatically. So let's connect to the 2.4 GHz. And Realme X1 Max also got connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network, which is 2.4 GHz network, as you can clearly see. And during this time, I'm not using any kind of high performance mode, nothing game boosting, nothing at all installed at this moment. And one more thing is that in the Realme X1 Max, I need to do the process cleaning as well. Let me need to go to additional settings and clean this process manager where some of the applications will be stored in the cache data. That's the thing which I did clear. And I'm trying to use the extended range capabilities in the Realme X1 Max. Even in the iQOO 7 also, I'm trying to use the extended range capabilities. Let me go to the RAM management and show you all the details. Clearly you can see. Now let's see what will be the speed test and what will be the RAM management, which phone can actually have really good RAM management. That's what my main motive of comparing both phones side by side. So this is going to be really very interesting comparison between these devices. So I'm really excited friends to compare these both phones. So no apps are running in the background RAM management, and let's start with the first application, which is a Google Chrome. So 1, 2, and 3. So first, maybe in the iQOO 7 device, let's see the Amazon application. I'll need to keep the Amazon application in the background RAM management. Let's open some random mobile phones and let's keep some mobile in the background. So let me click this one, MI11, this one. So let me go back to the home screen. Let's go back. Yep. And let's check the Flipkart first. And in the Flipkart, I'll try to open sales. Let's open the Flipkart sales. And let's go to the mobile phones and let's open some random phone. You can see the loading speed, which phone is loading what kind of speed as well. That's the main reason why I did select one of the applications. I'm trying to keep these lines in the background RAM management as well. In both phones, we'll be able to get to know what is happening. Play Store also not bad. It's a little bit kind of faster in the Realme phone. And I'll try to keep these games and applications in the background. Now actually the games begin. So I did not use any kind of ultra game mode. Okay. Clearly see there is no ultra game mode enabled and not the game space as well. Let's start with the first game, which is Angry Birds 2. So both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network only. So we'll be able to see the speeds, opening speeds, and so iQOO 7 versus Realme X1 Max. So this is going to be really very interesting comparison friends after the recent September update. And the first phone to open is the iQOO 7 device. Did open this page first, like a little bit kind of faster than the Realme X1 Max, just a little bit. Not a major difference, just a little bit. Let's see the Asphalt 9 game. So first the Realme X1 Max just show this message, Asphalt 9 message, but let's see which will log into the home page. Asphalt 9. So usually this game takes a little bit kind of time. That's the reason I did include wantedly this game in this video purpose. First in the Realme X1 Max, not bad. First, I think the iQOO is asking for the update. Sorry for that. I forgot to update this application, this game, Asphalt 9 game. But let's move to the next game, which is a Bad Dragon's mobile game. Let's see BGMI, which phone can actually open fast after the recent update. So iQOO 7 did open slightly faster than the Realme X1 Max, and iQOO 7 is started to load as well. Wow, that's a huge difference. And still the Realme X1 Max is taking a lot of time. And even though both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network, iQOO 7 did open very much faster than the Realme X1 Max device at this speed, you can see. So now it's same account. With same account I'm trying to log in. You did see that, right? So iQOO 7 was able to log in slightly faster than the Realme X1 Max device, just a little bit. And next is Candy Crush. Candy Crush, both phones, nothing much difference because this is a very small game, so it should not be that much kind of difference. But overall, let's observe the RAM management. How much difference can it be there in with the RAM management? That's going to be really very interesting to see the RAM management comparison. And right now I did open all the games and all the applications completely in the background, starting from the first Google Chrome to last Temple Run. You can clearly see that's perfect. Let's start with the from backside. So let's start from the backside. How many games can the both phones can actually store? Till here it was completely fine. 5 games are completely fine, and the Play Store also no problem. The Realme X Max also did open, but this touch sampling rate application I'll try to show you in front of the camera by opening from the multitasking. Let's see which phone can actually keep this application in the background RAM management along with these lines. That's what I'm going to see. So this is a very critical stage. Let's see which phone can actually do it. 1, 2 and 3. Boom. The Realme X Max still the RAM management as before. Hopefully with the next Realme UI 3.0, maybe the things might be slightly better in terms of the optimization. That's what I'm expecting from the Realme UI 3.0, because previously this used to be a situation with the Mi11X device. If you remember my videos with Mi11X device, with the MIUI 12.5 enhanced version, the RAM optimization got really very better. It's kind of, before this phone can actually store up to 6 applications, 6 games, but after MIUI enhanced version it can actually store up to 10 to 15 games and application in the background RAM management. That's a really huge difference. So hopefully maybe with the next Realme UI 3.0 the things might change, but I cannot guarantee that unless we get the update. So let's see what happened with the next couple of applications. So same phone which is stored here in the iQOO 7 device, it was there, but in the Mi11X device it was unable to keep in the background RAM management. Google Chrome also there exactly. So in terms of the speed test, slightly better iQOO 7 device, and in terms of the RAM management also slightly better for the iQOO 7 device in this kind of testing. Even after the updates also, the Realme X Max still a little bit struggling in terms of the speed and in terms of the RAM management little bit. So that's it friends, thank you for watching, and next time I'll try to come back with the high performance mode testing, because high performance mode is one of the another major thing which you should definitely understand if you are using Realme X Max. Little bit it will try to improve the speed of opening games and applications, high performance mode. So next time I'll definitely include those kind of games as well. But overall friends, in terms of the RAM management, the iQOO 7 was able to keep most of the applications, everything, all the 10 out of 10, 5 apps and 5 games were completely there in the background RAM management in the iQOO 7 device. That's it friends, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Let's stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.